In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Rockstar Games launcher stuck on connecting. The first thing you want to do is open up File Explorer on your laptop or PC. Now you want to click on local disk C. Here, find the option of user, select that. Now go ahead and select your user from here. Now you should be able to find the option of documents. Go ahead and select that. Here you will find Rockstar Games. Right click on it. Now you want to rename it. So you can rename this .old. Once that is done, the next thing you want to do is uninstall OneDrive. So for that, click on the search bar. Here you want to search OneDrive. Now go ahead and click on the uninstall option. Once you click on this, it will prompt you to settings. Here you want to uninstall OneDrive. Once you have uninstalled that, now open Rockstar Games launcher and now this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.